In this video, I'll show you how to download a song from the YouTube Studio Audio Library in just a few simple steps. Click Audio Library in the left sidebar to open the Music Library page, where you'll see all the free tracks available for your videos. Find the track you want and click the Download button next to it. In this example, I'm downloading Nebula, which opens a Save As dialog, then click Save to download the file to your computer. The page returns to the audio library, and you can download as many tracks as you need for your projects. Now to download another one, I'm clicking Download next to Rapid Unscheduled Disassembly, and a notification appears in the top right, confirming the download has started. Your downloaded tracks are saved to your default Downloads folder as audio files. If you don't see the Save As dialog, check your browser settings. It may download files automatically to a preset location. All tracks in the audio library are copyright-free for use in your YouTube videos, so you won't get any claims when you add them to your content. You can preview any track before downloading by clicking the play button next to its name. And that's how to download songs from the YouTube Studio Audio Library. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.